Hi, so this is what I implemented for the IK assignment. I'm going to start off very quickly so that I can do this in sub 2 minutes. So first, the scripted animation. Oh my god, leg. So if I press play here, I just animated the leg swinging. And then we'll go on and show the multi-bone IK. So I did this for both the left and right arm using fabric. And we can see as I move it around, uh, it stays natural. And then we can show an unreachable position like so. And the bone just stretches out and a reachable position like this. Now I'll show the keyframed animation. So if I press play, let's start. We just lift up the arms and then we do a sort of like shocked and then head scratching expression. And so I just implemented that by animating the transforms of the target spheres. And then we can look at the curves for this as well. So we can see the nice ease in and ease out shape. And we could change this to linear and see what that looks like, but I don't think I have enough time if I want to make this video in under 2 minutes. So then we'll talk about the advanced features that I implemented. So I implemented smoothing and also soft IK. So we have this smoothing factor that essentially it interpolates between the current position of the end effector and the new target position. So based on time. So this means that as I move around the sphere, the hand doesn't instantly solve to the new location. It will do it based on the time that's elapsed and interpolate snap to a position on the way. And so this looks much more natural as I move the sphere around. So if I move around this left sphere, we can see the hand doesn't move straight away. It actually moves slightly behind it, but this looks more natural. It'd be easier to show this at a better frame rate, but if there's like a big movement, then it's probably the best. Okay, it's kind of hard to show, but it is there. And then I'll show the soft IK as well. So essentially, when the arm gets near fully reaching out, there can be some quite ugly looking snapping that goes on as it reaches to its full length, especially around some of the joints. So if I go like here and I reach out fully, we can see there's a frame right there where it just snaps all into place at once. It looks a bit unnatural. So if we go back and we re-enable the soft IK, what this does is it essentially sets a distance threshold where if the joint is that close, if the whole arm is that close to its maximum reachable distance, we basically apply a fall off on how far extra we reach. So this smooths out. We can see now there's no big snap. It's very gradual, and this looks really good. But yeah, thank you.